If you have a NIBE exhaust air heat pump, you must clean the air filter from time to time to avoid higher power consumption and a reduction in the heat pump's efficiency. Every 3 months, you will receive a reminder on the display of the heat pump, but the filter may need to be cleaned more frequently than that. If the power is lost, then the time count is reset. Start by turning off the heat pump. Then remove the top cover by pulling it straight out and then pulling out the filter cartridge. Remove the filter and shake it or vacuum it to clean it. Keep in mind that water or any other liquid must not be used when cleaning the filter. Make sure the filter is not damaged in any way before you put it back. How often you need to clean the filter depends on the amount of dust in the ventilated air. A good idea is to check and clean your ventilators on a regular basis. To maintain a perfect indoor climate, you should also replace the filter after approximately 2 years. Order new G2 filters from your installer or at nibe.eu.